Hello everyone. So let's review what we learned last Friday. So we learned start from letter A. So we learned the first Chinese character I. But before that we introduced there are four tones in Chinese. So you can see I, 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 I. So the character we learned actually pronounced I. So one thing I think you probably noticed that actually, if in English we will have double, right? Double vowels together, so we'll pronounce I. But in China, we don't have that kind of thing. So we just directly I. So that's why it's a little bit different. So I want to point it out. And let's learn how to write the character I together. So 撇点点撇撇横折横竖撇横撇捺. So this is I. I means love. And if you anytime you see this part, we say 宝盖, that means a house. So whenever you learn some character related to have a house, you can always see this 宝盖头. Okay, and last week we also learned a sentence. But for those who the first time learner, you don't actually have to be able to write all those characters. You're just able to recognize it. It's perfect. So we learn 我爱爸爸和妈妈 So you may notice in Chinese, this is a sentence, right? 我爱爸爸和妈妈, I love my dad and mom. So we don't need to capitalize. Every character is the same. But then at the end, we do have a period as well. But our period is different. Our period is a little circle. Okay, so let's read it together with me. 我爱爸爸和妈妈。爸爸 it's dad. 和 means and. 妈妈 mom. 我 I. So I love dad and mom. So let's review the whole thing together with me. I. 我爱爸爸和妈妈. So I also want to write the pinyin for all of you who this is first time learner. So 我 the third tone 我爱 the third one 爱爸爸. The fourth one too. Sorry, this is the fourth one. I say wrong. 爸爸. But normally the first one we say 爸. The second one we kind of light it, so we don't put any tone. 爸爸 和 second one 和妈妈 The same thing. The first one has a tone. The second one we don't add a tone. We light it up. So we put it very light. So 我爱爸爸和妈妈. Okay, so that's all for the review. And looking forward to see all of you on Friday We will learn new words and we will have a lot of fun. Make sure you come, okay? See you.